Salt and peril filled the air, Lantern worthy stood to stare. Tyre heel churned up the sand, and around stood marshals, flag in hand. Slides and wheelies thrilled the gathered, showed their skills with their swagger. Folk from afar came for the fun, and as a treat out came the sun. The sun brought out maidens daring, scanny simmets they were wearing, such a fashion to shame a nation, with nothing to fire imagination. Gulls and gannets they were scattered, the gathered crowd they were splattered, they swooped and dived amongst the bunch, and parted some from their lunch. Bairns and feathers hung o'er the dyke, and picked their favourite on a bike. The tide rolled in to end the day, and swept the rear event away.